Welcome to Cars You Can Fix. Today we're working on a 2016 Ford Fiesta and we're going to be doing the oil change. Let's get to it. Now we're under the car here. The drain bolt's going to be right here on the back of the oil pan. This drain plug is a 13mm. Make sure you get your drain pan. Right, here it comes. Now that it's come to a slow drip, we're going to go ahead and put our drain plug back in. And we're going to torque it down to 21 foot-pounds. Now let's come over here to the front, and there's your oil filter. We're going to go ahead and use an oil filter wrench to pull that off. We're going to go ahead and use these to pull that off. I'll leave a link in the description on where to get these. And if you can take a chance to please like the video and subscribe, it would really help the channel out. You just get it on there like that, and then start moving it. Make sure to get your drain pan under there. And your oil is going to start dripping out. Just let most of the oil drip out before you pull it off. See if I can do this without too much mess. Okay, not too bad. And then get a rag. You're going to want to clean the face up in here where the gasket sits. We're going to get our new filter, open it up, take this plastic off, and we're going to put a little bit of oil around here on the gasket. Just go ahead and dip your finger in some oil and rub it along the gasket. And go ahead and thread your new filter back on. You're going to get to where the gasket just touches, and you're going to turn it about another half turn to 3/4 turn. Just like that. I'll just use a little bit of brake spray and clean up some of this oil here. Now let's go to the top. This engine calls for 4.5 quarts of 5W20. Need to add another 1/2 quart. Perfect. Put your cap back on. Now go ahead, start it up, check for leaks. And we're looking good. No leaks from the filter. And no leaks from the drain plug. If you have your maintenance light on, it's going to be the wrench there. You're going to go ahead and turn your ignition on, and then push your brake pedal and your accelerator down for about 30 seconds. And that should get rid of the wrench. This car didn't have it on, but I'm just gonna do this to reset it anyways, the mileage. And after the wrench light is out, go ahead and turn off your ignition. And we're all done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.